Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 16th, 2025, and we're diving into Nuvve's first quarter 2025 financial update. Nuvve is a green energy technology company specializing in vehicle-to-grid technology. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Nuvve's report provides some interesting insights into their financial performance and strategic direction, especially in the context of their recent developments and market positioning.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Nuvve reported a total revenue of $0.93 million for Q1 2025, marking a 19.8% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by an increase in product sales, services, and grants. Specifically, there was a $0.9 million increase in product revenue due to higher customer sales orders and shipments. Additionally, services revenue increased by $0.5 million, and grants contributed an additional $2 million.
Despite the revenue growth, Nuvve reported an operating loss of $5.6 million and a net loss of $6.9 million. Can you elaborate on these figures?
Certainly. The operating loss decreased by 22.9% compared to last year, which is a positive sign. However, the net loss increased slightly by 2.2% due to a decrease in other income, primarily from changes in the fair value of convertible notes and warrants liability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Nuvve has reduced its operating expenses by 20.7% to $6 million. What factors contributed to this reduction?
The reduction in operating expenses is largely due to a decrease in selling, general, and administrative expenses, which fell by 14.4%. This was achieved through lower compensation expenses and reduced public company-related costs. Additionally, research and development expenses decreased significantly by 44.4%.
Nuvve also increased its megawatts under management to 31.8 megawatts and raised $5.3 million to support its operations. How do these developments impact their future outlook?
These are positive indicators for Nuvve's future. The increase in megawatts under management reflects their growing capacity in the V2G space. The additional capital raised will support their growth initiatives, including potential mergers and acquisitions, as highlighted by their recent acquisition of Fermata.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Let's discuss the strategic insights shared by Nuvve's CEO, Gregory Poilasne. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
Gregory Poilasne emphasized the ongoing transformation within Nuvve, which is not yet fully reflected in their sales numbers. He expressed excitement about future business expansion through mergers and acquisitions, such as their recent acquisition of Fermata. This indicates a strategic focus on scaling their operations and enhancing their market position.
How does this strategic direction align with Nuvve's overall business goals?
Nuvve's strategy aligns with their goal of leading the electrification of transportation through their V2G technology. By expanding their business through strategic acquisitions, they aim to enhance their service offerings and increase their market share in the clean energy sector.
Key takeaways. In summary, Nuvve's first quarter 2025 financial update shows promising revenue growth and operational efficiencies, despite a slight increase in net loss. Their strategic focus on mergers and acquisitions, along with increased megawatts under management, positions them well for future expansion. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for Nuvve as they continue to innovate and expand in the green energy sector.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Nuvve's performance and future prospects in the comments below.